everyone, my name is Jessica Whitaker. Today I'm here with David and Katie, and we are doing some really cute couple photos. We have two locations, this field and then a really cool little diner. Go check out the full set of images on my website, linked below. Subscribe for more photography videos, and let's get started. Vibes. Looks so good. You just keep looking at the sign. Wait, yeah, okay, wait, why was that so perfect? Literally, okay, so lean into her again.
David's so confused, he's like, what did I do?
Okay, keep like looking at each other, smiling, just like having those good times. I love this, so good in here.
Katie, wait, what the heck? You look good with just looking away like that. What the friend?
Wait, do that again. Look over there. Yeah, wait, that looks so good. Just like really casual vibes. And then Katie, I'm gonna have you look like right here. Yeah. Yeah, good. This is so candid, I love it. And then look at each other again, and then David, say something funny to her. Okay, good. This is so vibes, I love it. Yeah. And then maybe Katie, now you're looking at me and smiling. Good. Look at each other again. Katie, maybe put your both of your elbows on the table. You can even put your stretch your legs to the other side. Just get really comfortable. Just like moving, you know, the vibes.
Oh no, that's cute. That's cute,
yes,
Katie.
Perfect. Maybe David, I think I'm gonna have you scoot, like kind of lean more forward. Yep, yeah, perfect. Everyone's gonna see these and be like,
what?
Meal time?
Like, David is shooting meal time. I've been wanting to do that since I was in 4th grade. That's cute. Wait,
yes,
David, David, wait. Look at, like, David,
yes,
no. Wait, I was like, David, you should look down at your food.
So good. Get your cheeks right next to each other. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Smile big, beautiful.
What the heck? The sun is like kind of Twin Peaks vibes. North Bend, that would be a cool place to shoot too. There's a lot of cool restaurants and stuff out there.
Oh, nice snow quality?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now let's do some standing shots, and then I think we'll be good to do the next location while the sun is about to. Trash can vibes.
Do you like all the dogs?
Yes. Yep. Oh, Katie, that's so cute.
David, Temple's right here.
I'm gonna have you bend your elbow and
David.
sit on his
Right.
shoulder. Okay, cute.
Literally, I like.
Katie, smell really big. Cute. I feel like we just need to do something like looser, almost. You know what I mean? So maybe just you guys don't be afraid to just like put your arms around Katie's waist and like you put your arms around his neck. I do still want to have like probably. How do I explain this? I have this shot in my mind. Okay, so face each other again.
They could do like, okay, what if they do like this?
Yeah.
Weird. Okay, they're like,
Oh, facing. Okay, yeah,
like
let's do
they're
that.
super comfortable.
Yeah, so you're gonna face me straight on. Yep. And then like kind of get your toe, like your feet a little bit closer. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Okay.
I'm
and
like
then,
still recording, whatever.
let's see.
David, just keep thinking about how you're about to explode because the guy's right there flipping a burger.
Yeah, there's like 5 people on this.
So cute. Okay. Wait, oh, are there people watching?
Yeah, there's like 12 people.
I didn't fucking worry. Okay, everyone. We just went to a diner, and there were so many people that like the couple knew, that Susie knew, and they were just like extremely confused. The photos are gonna be super cute. The lighting though. And now we're going to the second location because I want to do some golden hour shots. I think it'll be more traditional. I was asking Katie if they've ever had their photo taken. She's like, no, this will probably be the only thing beyond like our engagement and our wedding photos. And I was like, okay, we need to do another location next. My highlight. Show your highlight, Susie. Yeah. Ooh, I look good. True, you do. So yeah, bye. Arms around her waist. Yep, perfect. And then Kate, yes, perfect. Okay, beautiful. Yes. Okay, say just like that for me. Okay, now let's do one. We're gonna do a walking shot because I feel like you guys are prepared. So you guys have a bit of experience now. Okay, so we're gonna start from like right here, and basically it's gonna be not side by side. It's gonna be more in a line. So I'm gonna have Katie, you're gonna be in front, and then David, you're gonna be behind Katie, and then you guys are just gonna walk like straight forward. But Katie, you're gonna be looking back at David, and then David, you're gonna look at Katie, and then we're gonna have like your hands. Obviously, you're gonna hold hands, like leading him to the forest. He does go down to the river, y'all.
Are we walking this way?
You're gonna walk this way.
Oh. Okay.
So you guys are gonna start kind of where Susie's at.
I can move.
Oh, you're good. Okay.
It's like kindergarten when you had to walk in a line.
Yep, exactly.
Which hand do you want?
Let's do the back hands, and then Katie, you can with your hand, you can also like put it up in your hair, and then David, you can probably just like have it hanging by your side. And then kind of take longer strides, not like super long where you're like doing a lunge, but just being really deliberate. Yes, perfect, literally, so good. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E. Just kidding.
So cute.
The mountains are calling.
Just like that. And then Katie, with your feet, get a little bit closer.
Hello,
Yes.
this is Susie.
And then you can kind of bend your back.
This was a good idea.
Okay. And then just stay like that. Let's see. Okay. And then David, kind of pull away a little bit and look at Katie, and just give her the look where you're like, dang. You know what I mean? Or you just like really love her. Wait, are they in love or no? Have you guys said that you love each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, I don't know.
Okay,
Then you
so
look
just
at me for
her.
confirmation. Wait, are they in love?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We actually document everything with Susie.
Yep.
Sorry,
They're actually going
It'd just
through
be so
their
awkward if you're like, oh.
they're going through their relationship counseling with me.
Okay, this is
That would be a disaster. Guys, the lighting is very good.
beautiful. And then put your foreheads together now. Wait. Okay.
Where's the ring?
Can we just do a proposal right
After
now?
bedtime prayer.
I hate you so much, Susie.
Little white flowers all
This is the
of
most PDA.
her
This is
hair.
the most PDA me and Kitty have
Okay,
ever
stay
done.
like that real quick. I love to hear the sound of nature. So cute, y'all.
Yeah, I refuse to settle until my boyfriend will tie my shoe.
So cute, and just smell really big. Eee, when you're in love. That's so cute. And then can you look at me?
You chucking me.
David goes down.
Just like the vibes, you know? Just like the vibes.
You know the vibe.
It's just like, you know, I have to like feel the vibes. Like, if I don't have my rose quartz on.
we
look so cute.
I know, we were talking in the video and you guys were still like doing your thing. I got all of it. We were just being stupid.
Yeah, I don't know how much you guys are serious or how like.
No, we think you guys look
No,
great.
and
We're
I was
just
thinking
stupid.
of the vibes, and then Susie was filming it, but you guys
Like
were
she was like,
posing
the
for-
vibes are great. I gotta get my rose quartz. We say that all the time.
Just like the vibes. Oh, this is
Does
Wait,
Uber pick
y'all.
up here?
y'all. Very cute. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Y'all, don't. It looks so good. You guys look so cute. David, put your arms around Katie again. And then Katie, put your arms back up here. But this time we're gonna do like big smiles and like closing your eyes, like very relaxed, you know? And then have like the mountains in the background. We just need some wind. Can we get some fans in here?
Hey, keep blowing.
Actually, I did it. I used to have a mini fan in my car. When you forget your creative director bag at home.
Yeah, wait, so good. And then David, lift your head up slightly. Yep, perfect. Actually, snuggle into Katie a little bit more. Yeah! So cute! Wait, what the heck? I'm losing oxygen rapidly. Alright, Alright everyone, that was our video. Thank you guys for being my models. You did very good. Go check out the full set of images on my website below. Subscribe for more photography videos, and we'll see you later. Bye.